I wanted to share these scented sachets. Aren't they cute? Look at the flowers and the design. This is the scent Fresh Linen, and they come in a pack of 12. And each individual sachet is also wrapped so the smell stays trapped inside. And this one has a little tie on the top. You can tie it in your closet or in your suitcase or tuck it in the car somewhere in a hidden spot. On the back of the packet, it shows 12 more ways of use of these sachets. Such a clever idea. A quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to try.